My name is Megan Kilian. I'm from grade 8 and I come from Kira Mossel Bay. My topic is pizza makes everything better. Do you believe in love at first sight? Because I do. My heart belongs to pizza. As a pizzatarian, I am in a committed relationship with pizza and all its gourmet perfections. Pizza is a way of life. And whether it's square, round, thick or thin, every pizza slice is a work of art. Chairperson, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here today to present a solution to some of life's greatest challenges, a beacon of hope in a sea of despair. It's not self-help books, and it's most definitely not kale. It's pizza. The glorious circle of cheesy perfection is the perfect answer to all our woes and worries. Pizza is one of life's greatest inventions, and I shall prove this to you in my 3 arguments. En my eerste argument is pizza die beste druskos ooit. Almal van ons het al 'n relletjie oorgetrap met blou maan en narighede wat jou letterlik aan die keel beet kry, tot jy uiteindelik besef dat slegs 'n kaas en tomatie pizza 'n pleister kan plak op al jou ellendes. Met die eerste oopmaak van 'n pizzaboks tref die salige aroma van kaas, tomatiepasta, basiliekruit en knoffel jou smaakkliere. Terwyl jy net soos 'n hond sit en kwyl oor 'n sappige been, is daar die nare uitslae van jou wiskundetoets ook ewe skielik totaal en al vergete. Hierdie onskuldige platdeegbasis is al 1000 jaar oud en so eg Italiaans as kan kom. Op die properpizza.com van 5 Januarie 2022 getiteld Why Pizza is the Best Comfort Food, skryf Karine Rogers, pizza chef by the Proper Pizza Company in Auckland, New Zealand, dat al die goedgevoel hormone in jou lyf op aandag spring met die eerste oopmaak van 'n pizzaboks. Die gesmelte kaas, tomatie, swart olywe en spek oordeel jou nie, maar ignoreer jou ook nie. Maar fluister liewer siekies in jou oor. Kry maar nog 'n snytjie, Megan. 'n Pizza 'n dag laat die dokter wag, glo ek. And my second argument is the fact that pizza is a definite crowd gatherer. If there is one universal truth, it is the fact that pizza brings people together. It is a social magnet. Think about it. Office parties, slumber parties, or even visits to the mall. It's always pizza that gives the invite. No one ever asked, "Hey, come over, I've got a salad." Pizza also transcends all boundaries, race, age, and political affiliations. You could have a room full of people arguing about everything under the sun, but as soon as the pizza box opens, world peace is achieved. Until someone takes the last slice. On Wildcat Pizza, dated 29 July 2023, titled Pizza and Family, Why It's the Perfect Meal for Shared Moments and Bonding, Lewis Ryland, owner of the Wildcat Pizza in Durham, New Hampshire, USA, said that the act of sharing pizza is a unique experience. As you reach for a slice, you're not only indulging in a delectable meal, but also partaking in a communal tradition that has been cherished for generations. I reckon that the act of passing pizza slices around the table is a perfect way for friends and family to catch up, share stories and laugh. En my slotargument is pizza 'n uitstekende probleemoplosser. Het jy verslaap? Moenie bekommerd wees nie. Gryp 'n snytjie koue pizza van die yskats, woed dit deur die mikrogolf en sien daar, 'n perfekte gebalanseerde ontbyt voor skool of kantoor. Wil jy graag iemand beïndruk? Wel, bestel Proevers Pizza met geroosterde pampoen en chorizo. Vir daardie spesiale persoon wat jou oog gevang het, is jy 'n hopelose kok in die kombuis? Weereens, kom pizza tot die redding. Ja nee, net soos kleefband is pizza altyd daar om alles wat krom en skeef is, weer vinnig reg te dokter. Het jy dalk iemand se verjaarsdag vergeet? Bestel 'n pizza en skryf bo op in pepperoni salami. Jammer, ek het vergeet. Op sons.co.za van 22 Maart 2022 getiteld Kasi Pizza op die spyskaart vertel Naledi Tlhomolo, pizza-entrepreneur van Soshanguve, hoe haar Spaza bakkery 'n uitkoms was vir pizza-liefhebbers in die omgewing. Geen koue pizzas en warm taksies meer nie, want met die behulp van sosiale media platforms kan township inwoners ook nou smaal in haar kraakvars pizza warm uit die oond. In haar boek, How It Happened, The Cool Stories Behind Every Slice of Pizza, gepubliseer deur Union Square op 1 November 2023, skryf Paige Towler dat pizza ook nog as 'n geheime wapen ingespan kan word om kinders hulle groente te laat eet. Weggesteek onder gesmelte kaas word alles mos net beter en beter. Pizza makes everything better, and it's one of life's greatest inventions. Pizza is an excellent comfort food, a definite crowd gatherer, and a problem solver par excellence. The next time you face yourself with a dilemma, big or small, ask yourself, what would pizza do? The answer will always be clear as crystal. Pizza would make it better, because it's topped with a little cheese.